Palma is back in the ball game. Sunday Salvacion makes his first appearance tonight. Mink and Junti Valenzuela are both sitting down. Solano del De Ocampo. This is his first trip to the line. Mintis ang kanyang unang free throw. Second free throw is good. At lamang ng dalawang Air 21, 82-80. Here's Helterbrand. Helterbrand on the move. Helterbrand with a runner.
Shades of Mark Aguila. They've been friends for too long. Usually, JJ Helterbrand doesn't throw up floaters, but he is learning some new tricks.
And he now has 19 points. Ito na si Canaleta. Baseline try. And De